Hi guys, welcome back to Hamsar Brothers, and today I'm gonna show you what I made. This is I'm going there from my train, and that's my sunset hotel that I made in creative mode. It was really fun. I'm gonna show you. From outside you would think this is just a weird structure, but it is not. Here we go. This is our train station, and then our gate. Yeah, and then from here closing the gates, and then you need to go straight like this. Here is a rabbit. I don't know what he's doing here. And then this is my Sunset Hotel lobby. The sea water is coming and there is a squid. We can sit here and eat stuff. He's our This guy is our chef. Here we got all our food and things. So let's go and show you the real thing. From here we have to go up, and this is the room 7.12, our first room, bedroom, and this all thing. This is the washroom, this is the toilet, and then you have to come here, and the main thing, there is a balcony from which you can see the ocean. Isn't that cool, guys? I have done the same thing with all the right side rooms, but the left side rooms are pretty small. Look, this is the left side room. It doesn't have a balcony, but the right side room has the balcony. I mean, the left side room has the balcony, and the right side doesn't have. I don't have. So this was my Sunset Hotel, and don't know. And so I'm gonna pause the video, and I'm gonna go sleep in my Sunset Hotel. Wait, I'm not gonna pause my video. I'm gonna go sleep. And now I'm gonna go and show you my no, what was the name? Underwater base. It, we have to go from train, guys, or else we will be lost. So I'm going there from the train. I'm pausing the video. Here we go, guys. We reached this place, and then from the train we have to go, because the route is from the jungle and it leads to the another ocean. What? I know it is pretty slow, but it is an interesting route from this tunnel, and then from above the trees. Like this. We go above the tree. Yoo-hoo! And then this is also a long way, so I am pausing the video. But I won't pause the video because I'm going pretty fast. It is cool to ride, and it is fun too. But now I am slow and fast and slow. Let me go. From here I am going. Here we go. We reached the ocean. Here is our small little train station. That is the place I found a zombie with a shovel. And from here we have to go like this. This is our way, route. And from here, open this. We reached our underwater base. You can see everything from underwater. There is our bridge. There are many squids swimming. There are 2 villagers over here. But now let's go and show you my bridge. I didn't make a train route. I made a walking route. Means you have to walk and go, because I have a lot of train stations. Actually, I have 3 or 4 train stations. Probably I have 5 train stations. From here we have to go. Here we reach another island where I will make my mansion. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and smash the like button for all the things I made. I made such a cool hotel. So please smash the like button, guys, and subscribe to my channel. And if you didn't like my hotel, then please smash the like button for the spider I killed. My aim. Bye bye.